తీసుకునేటప్పుడు ఈ లెన్స్ ఫార్ములా అనేది వాటి సైన్ కన్వెన్షన్ అంటే ఏంటో ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. సో పిల్లలు, లెట్స్ టేక్ ద డబుల్ కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్. వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్? ఈ డబుల్ కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్ ని తీసుకొని ఆ డబుల్ కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్ తో మనం ఇప్పుడు ఒక వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఆప్టిక్ సెంటర్? ఓ ఇస్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఓ అండి? ఆప్టిక్ సెంటర్. సో this x dash r, this is the principal axis. What is this? Principal axis. ఈ ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ ని తీసుకొని ఆ ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ తో మీద మనం ఏం చేద్దామంటే లెట్స్ టేక్ ద f1 to f1 and f2 to f2, f2 to f2 on right side. On which side అండి? Right side. So this is the left side. Now let's take the object. Object is AB. What is this object andi? AB అనేది ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ తీసుకుంటున్నాం. That object is between F1 and 2F1. F1 and 2F1 కి మధ్యలో ఉందండి, లేదా F1 and C1 కి మధ్యలో ఉంది అనుకుందాం. Then so two rays, one is parallel ray and another one is the ray which is passing through the optic center. Optic center gunda oka ray and another ray is parallel ray. Another ray is parallel ray తీసుకుంటామండి. ఆ parallel ray తీసుకొని ఆ parallel ray ఏమవుతుందంటే which is passing through the F2, which is passing through the F2 గుండా రిఫ్రాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. So the ray which is passing through the center of optic center, it is not deviated, but the both rays are intersecting at this point. At this point A dash B dash. What is this andi? A dash B dash. A dash B dash is the image. This image is inverted image. Image is inverted image, and also this image is real image. What is this image andi? Real image. Now let me see the distances we can measure. U is the object distance. This object distance from optic center to B. Now this U is taken as minus U. U is taken as minus U. Endukante, so incident ray always from left to right. Incident ray always from left to right. The distances which are measured from optic center, if they are in the opposite direction of the incident ray, they are taken as negative distances. That's why just negative sign is minus U. Okay nandi? Next again, so the object, this is image distance. So image distance always measured from O to A dash B dash. O to A dash B dash. Okay, that means V is positive. Endukante, so the incident ray always from left to right. The distance, image distance also measured from O nundi A dash B dash, from O to A dash B dash. That's why they are positive. Now you know very well what's the focal length. Focal length ante from O to F2. From O to F2, the distance between the optic center and focal point is called the focal length. Okay, that is the focal length andi. So that focal length F andi, and radius of curvature is R. Radius of curvature is R. Now see here the lens formula. Next one is entamma? Lens formula. You know, this is the formula. This is the formula for mirrors also. Already we explained in the reflection lesson. Reflection. What's the 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F? But here I am writing 1 by V minus 1 by U. Why we should write the 1 minus 1 by U? Minus 1 by U means this distance are negative side distance. That's why 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. And this explains the relation between object distance, image distance and focal length. Okay, and so here U means object distance, V means image distance, F means focal length. F means what andi? Focal length. Kabatti ee mirror lens formula anedi, this lens formula indicates this lens formula explains the relation between U, V and F. U, V and F. Where U means object distance, where V means image distance, where F means. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టు డూ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇన్ ద రిఫ్రాక్షన్ లెసన్. ఓకేనండి, అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను.